Um, yung office namin. Not eating?
Yes.
You don't like the rice? Maybe he like bones. Bones. Say hello. This is Pen. This is my YouTube channel. Yan. Tanghalin tapat. Yan. Yan ang aming office. Yan. Yan o. Yung parking. Yung gate namin. Yung main gate. Yun yung aming office. Ang ginagawa. Diyan kami nilipat sa main office. Ayan si Karen. Kasi as nilaglalakad. Video yan. Ayan o. Doon sila kumakain sa labas. Ayan. So tanghalin tapat. Ano na, magwa 1 o'clock na dito. Break time. Lunch time. Yan. Pasok na ako. Loob. Mapagpahinga. See you. God bless you.